Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Notion Hub and this is the speed test between Samsung Galaxy M20 and the Vivo Y93. Now before we get started, these are the Antutu and Geekbench scores of both phones. By the way guys, both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and all the applications have been updated to the latest version, and I'm clearing all the recent tabs. So guys, first I'll be doing the gaming speed test where I'll be opening these 8 games on both the phones and see which phone opens them faster. Now going on next, I will be doing the regular speed test where I'll be opening 12 applications and see which phone opens them faster. So guys, finally I'll be doing the memory management test where I'll be opening these 12 applications in the reverse order and see which of these apps are still in memory. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test and memory management test? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy any of these phones, use the link in the description, it really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from Notion Hub signing off. Have a nice day.